Let's make sea salt cream iced espresso. You need 1 pack of cream, and half a teaspoon of sea salt. Mix well and your sea salt cream is done. Next, fill your cup with ice. Then choose your coffee. Today's capsule of choice is Punto Italia's Intenso capsules. Use 2 capsules if you want your coffee strong. Then time to brew. Next, just add your sweetener of choice. I used 2 stevia packets. Mix well, and now the fun part. Scoop up the salted cream and add it to your coffee. I added 2.5 scoops of salted cream, and you're done. All that's left is to mix and enjoy. Coffee cheers!